Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2022 Can-Am Maverick XRS Turbo RR with smart shocks. We just installed the Ryco Street Legal kit on it, the upgraded version, the 8103A. It does replace these accent lights right here. How do they work? How does it function? Let's show you right now. You've got that column mount, so it works just like what's in your car. Down will be left. You've got those indicator lights that are built into the dash of the machine. We love that Can-Am allowed us to integrate that into the system. Oh yeah, very nice. Looks super good. You can see it from the front and the side really well. We also love how the Ryco kit ties into the taillights in the back of the machine, utilizing all of those bright LEDs. You also have the four-way hazard function. Simply pull out on that red lever. All four corners are going to illuminate. Horn button integrated into the end of the lever. There you've got those sweet lights on that front end. Gives you that nice custom look to go on top of your phenomenal machine. You got the horsepower, you got the street legal, you got the good looks, you got it all right here at Big Pine Sports. 435-427-3338. You can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Have a great day, everybody.